Hi guys, Andy here. I'll start off by apologising if you hear hammering. I don't know what my neighbours are doing, they seem intent on hammering away all day, but I'll record the video anyway. So, I saw something online recently that I thought that was kind of cool. And it's this dimple.io, your custom buttons for Android NFC devices. So, basically what it is, two custom buttons, well this is two, obviously we've got four here if you can see that there, two custom buttons that attach to the back of your device, and they use NFC, what have I pressed there? They use NFC to know when the button's been pressed, and then the app that we install here will tell the phone what to do when those buttons are pressed. So we've got some instructions, or a quick start guide anyway, saying we clean the back of the phone, we turn NFC on. I'm going to be a rebel, I'm going to do it in a different order. I'm going to turn NFC on first. So then it wants to try the location. So I'm going to go with the 2-button one. I mean, in some ways mainly because of the colour, to be honest. It'll matches the phone a bit better. There might be a better way of getting in than that, but because the other ones I've got white here. It's very kind of the gentleman, I think his name was Richard, sent me these to try: yellow, red, white and black. I'll probably give the others away, so subscribe if you haven't, because I'll perhaps do another quick video explaining how you can win them. So let's give the back of the phone a quick clean using some of the old Brasso Gadget Care. The next step was to test the location, wasn't it? So obviously NFC, I think it's part of the battery, so I think it's in that kind of area. But let's try first of all up. Now the other thing is the buttons are, or so the whole theory of it is limited by what NFC can do. So your screen almost always, unless you've rooted and applied some kind of hack, always has to be on. Now I'm pressing a button there. Nothing happened. Let's move it down just underneath the Samsung logo. There we go. Thanks for choosing Dimple. Go on then, let's have a quick look. Dimple use NFC, we know that. Press and hold a button. So again, I'm in the middle. You have successfully pressed the button. Press finish. Okay, was that the intro? That was quite... It taught me how to press a button. So I'm kind of holding them roughly in that area. So let's... Actually, no, I'm not going to, because what I want to try, actually, is with a case on as well. Just before we move into the actual sort of app and what we're doing, really. Pop it into a case. Oopsie daisy. Let's place it there again. So I had to press and hold. So this is a pop-up window. Pardon. This button is empty. Right. Okay. So let's add. Let's go flashlight. I can see that being. Oh, so the memory in the buttons, I guess. So save button. Press a button to save. So I'm going to press and hold. There we go. So I'm in trouble if it spins round. It's actually kind of upside down, actually, if you look at the text on the... Oh, there we go, I've lost it already. So, this left button should... Actually, let's come out of the app a second. There we go, do you see that? So, you'd have to hold the button. So now I'm gonna hold the other one, which isn't programmed to anything. And the app's opened again. So I'm going to press and hold. There we go. So add. What else can we do? Open a URL. Call a number. So if you wanted to do a media button, take a picture. Now I quite like the idea of that. So you can have it literally take a picture. Not even that it opens up the camera. It's just going to take a picture. Now the screen has to be on. But I wouldn't imagine it even has to be unlocked for that one. So let's try it. So save the button. So that was the left button as it is now. So I'm going to turn the phone off, and just to sort of confirm, I'm going to Yeah, so I press and hold the button, nothing happens. Because when the screen's off, NFC is off. That's the limitation of a device, not of the buttons. Right, so that didn't seem to... Let's try to... I don't think I'm doing... Okay, so it does look like it's... Oops. So we've unlocked again. That's the flashlight. Oh, is it? Oh, because I'm in the app. Let's try to change the button. And maybe... Oh, no, it's come on. Yep, fine. So now let's try to take a picture. Oh, press the power button down. That's not good. I'm not doing a very good demo of this, am I? Okay, so why is that one not... So add... Take a pic. Oh, I bet I didn't press the button again afterwards. Success. Continue. So let's come back out of the app. Don't know if you can see that, but now if we go back in to the gallery. Oh. It's not taken. Why is it? How is it not taken one? Oh, there it is. It's in this whole different folder called Dimple, and it's upside down. Because I guess my phone was kind of upside down. Oops, couldn't see. So, there we go. So let's go back into the app just so we can see some of the other options. So let's change the camera one. Add. So launch an application. I assume this will literally just... There's all of my applications pretty much. So another look. Change settings. So I guess you could... Yep, so you can have Wi-Fi turn on, off, or toggle. I assume, yeah, Bluetooth, screen rotation. Actually, that might be quite handy. Sometimes I'm laying in bed and I get annoyed when it keeps rotating. It'd be quite good to have a button I can just press. Let's come back, see what else. So open URL, flashlight we've seen, call a number, media button, play, pause, next, previous. So again, if you've got 4 of them, they could all be your media controls on the back of your device. That'd be quite handy as well, actually, to be fair. What else was there? Take a picture we've done. Use, okay, so no, so that allows developers to write things to go in. So we've not actually, at this point, attached the buttons. So let's see. Let's want them the right way up. It's the kind of thing if you haven't. So I've got to open the camera. I can double press my home button. It opens the camera. But if you haven't got that kind of option, it's the kind of thing that would be quite handy, really. I forget what I programmed the other one to do. Is it still taking a picture? Or on? Yeah. I mean, the problem with the photos when it just taking a picture, that it doesn't seem to focus too well. But quite good for stealth photographing, when you perhaps don't want people to know you're photographing. So, there they are. The dimples. Go to dimple.io. Now, also, I'm told you can fairly easily take them off and move them. So even I would imagine they wouldn't. Oops. I'd imagine they wouldn't work that high up. Oh, it did though. I think that's quite cool. So there you go, dimple.io. They come in the 2 buttons or the 4 buttons. The prices, actually, I'd have to double check. I haven't seen because I didn't buy them. So thank you once again to Dimple.io for sending me these. I will figure a way that I'd give these out to subscribers at some point in the near future, hopefully, if I remember. So subscribe if you haven't. Let me know your thoughts. My name's Andy. I'll catch you all again soon.